Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a QR code. Now, for those of you that don't know what a QR code means, a QR code, which is known as a quick response code, is a type of matrix barcode, usually a two-dimensional barcode that consists of black squares arranged in a square grid on a white background. It is primarily designed to be scanned by devices like your smartphones or your tablets equipped with cameras and QR code reader apps. So that's apps that can read those QR code. When you scan this QR code, the QR code can quickly direct you to a variety of digital content such as your website, contact information, a product detail, or even a payment link. It is widely used for ease of access and ability to hold a lot of information in a small, easily scannable format. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Alright, so this is my Canva dashboard. For those of you that are actually new to Canva, you can watch my previous video where I talked about how you can design graphics using the Canva app. So you can watch that video to know how you can navigate your dashboard. And I also dropped a video on how you can change clothes on Canva, and several other videos I've been dropping that I'll be dropping as time goes by. Now, for those of you that came because of the QR code, so let's go straight into the reason why we are actually here. Now, to design a QR code, you can go to the Canva app, or you can go to the Canva URL, which is www.canva.com. I'll drop the URL on the video description. Now, you can design QR code using two methods. One, you can design it on an already made design, or you can design the QR code separately. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm going to be designing it on a separate page, and I'm also going to design it on a design. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first, let's make the design on a separate page. So to navigate that, you go to www.canva.com, or you go to your app. Now, once you open your app, you are going to see home, project, template, brand, apps. So you click on this apps button here. So once you click the app button, it will bring you to this place, right, where you see different apps that you can use to start making your designs. Now, for those that missed the tutorial on how to navigate most of these apps, please check my video. Now, once you get to this place, you just search for QR code. You search for QR code and you hit the search button. Now, you see several QR codes, but we're going to use this particular one for the sake of this tutorial. So you click it. Now you can see where they say use an existing design or use a new design. So you can either use this QR code in an existing design. That's if you already have a design that you just want to put the QR code, you use this first one. But if you don't have a design and you just want to make a new design for the QR code, where you just want to display only the QR code, you do use a new design. So once you click it, now they'll ask you what would you want to create. So you now select the dimension of what you want to create. So for this tutorial, I want to do 1080 by 1080. I've told you how to do that before. So you click on custom size, then height, you put 1080. You can decide to use any height and width you want. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are doing 1080, which is a normal square. So click on create new design. Once you click create new design, it will load, and it will come to where you start creating your QR code. Now let's wait for it to load. Alright, so here we have QR code. Now in this URL, we are going to put your destination for your QR code, so that once someone scans your QR code, it will take them to that particular destination. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to scan your QR code to make a payment. You're going to put the payment URL here. So once they scan the QR code, it will take them to that page that will be your destination point. Now, for the sake of tutorials, I'm going to be using my YouTube channel as a QR code, so that once they scan the QR code, it will take them straight to my YouTube channel. So let me copy my YouTube channel link. So let's copy. So I'll copy this. I'll come back to my QR code generator. So I will now paste it. So once you paste it, you now click on generate code. So once you click on generate code, you can see the QR code is here. You can decide to drag it to be full to the size you actually want, and that's just that. So the next thing you do is you save, you come to click share, and you download your click on download to download your QR code to your phone or to your system. So click on download. You can see I'm downloading the QR code to my system. Okay, so this is the QR code here. You can see I've downloaded it to my PC. So this is the QR code. So once I take maybe like a device to scan this QR code, you will see that it will take me to the YouTube channel. All right, so let's try to scan. You can see this is my phone. So let's try to scan the QR code to see if it's going to take us to the destination point. So for those that use iPhone or any other phone that can scan QR code, or if you have an app that can scan QR code, you can search for QR code apps that can actually scan the QR code. But for me, I'm going to use my camera to scan the QR code. So I'll click on camera. You can see. So it's showing me YouTube QR code, open in YouTube. So I'll just click on this like this. So you can see it brought me to this to my YouTube channel. So you can see that means the QR code actually works. So that's that to create a fresh QR code. Now if you want to add a QR code to an existing design that you already have on your Canva app, so how to do that is, let's say okay, so how to do that, so let's go back to the home page. So go back to the home page so I can show you how you can do it on an existing design. So I'm going to pick a random design and I'm going to put the QR code there. So let's pick a random design. So let's say want to okay, let me pick the design that is there. So let's allow it to load. All right, so the design has been loaded. So let's add a QR code on this design. Remember the first one that I actually told you was how you can add a QR code, like design is fresh QR code without putting it on a design. So let's say you want to add this QR code to this design that is there. So you can either upload the QR code that you already have here, or you can just create a new one inside the design. So to do that, you just go to apps. You go to apps, you search for QR code. Search for QR code. So here is it, right? So you do using existing design, your project. So you can see choose this, choose that, yeah. So it brings us back to this place, right? So we just need to paste. Once it's finished loading, we just need to paste the URL, the destination URL that we actually want, or the destination point for our QR code. Remember, the QR code can be payment gateway, it can be just any destination you want the QR code to go to. So once this your user or someone scans it, it takes them directly to the page you actually want them to take them to. So I can just click on generate QR code. You can see the QR code is there. Understand? But if you just want to avoid all this stress and all that, so you can use the first method. So once you've already downloaded the QR code, you can just go to upload. You just click on upload files, then you upload the QR code on your design. But if you don't want to pass through that hustle, you can use this method that I used to add your QR code directly on your design. If you find this video helpful, if you find this video inspiring, and if you find this video nice, kindly subscribe, like and comment on this video, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Thank you.